In the current e-commerce landscape, developers are expected to build software that seamlessly integrates with various shopping carts and e-commerce platforms, ensuring performance and scalability. The Shopping Cart API is a strategic integration layer that enables software solutions to communicate with shopping platforms in a standardized way, abstracting platform-specific complexities and reducing operational overhead. There are two main types of shopping cart APIs: REST API and SOAP API, each with its own unique features. REST API is an architectural style that uses standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, making it easy to integrate with other services and platforms. It typically uses JSON as the most common format for transmitting data, although XML can also be used. A SOAP API is process-oriented, uses XML for data transfer, and, while it is slower and more complex than a REST API, offers a higher level of security. Shopping Cart API integration is the process of developing an API connection between SaaS solutions, including warehouse management, shipping management, marketing automation software, and shopping platforms. Integrating with shopping cart APIs allows e-commerce software to access, sync, and manage valuable store data such as orders, products, customers, inventory, shipments, and more. This integration is critical for SaaS businesses that need reliable connections with multiple shopping platforms such as Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. However, shopping cart API integration can be complex, time-consuming, and costly. The easiest way to develop an effective and reliable integration with multiple shopping cart API solutions is to use API 2 Cart. API 2 Cart provides a unified API that allows e-commerce software to integrate with 60+ shopping platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, OpenCart, Temu, TikTok Shop, Shopee, Flipkart, and others, at once, all through a single integration. One of the main benefits of such integration is that you do not need to develop separate integrations or incorporate support for new variants of shopping carts when they arise. API 2 Cart provides 100+ API methods to work with all essential store data, such as orders, products, customers, shipments, inventory, and more. Additionally, API 2 Cart eliminates integration challenges and continuously monitors API changes, enabling developers to focus on the main SaaS product features. API 2 Cart's tech team handles all necessary maintenance and upgrades needed after the integration development. By choosing this shopping cart API integration service, you can save development time, money, and resources. Contact us today and explore how to easily develop shopping cart API integration via API 2 Cart. Start your free trial right now.